Hi, if you would like to move your drawing, go select and then tap on the screen. After that, you can select your object. Now press and copy. Then you will go and find the point where you would like to move your drawing from. Have one tap and then you will be able to move it the place you want. Let's assume that we will give it a center 0 and 0. So now here we have our drawing. Plus you can also use select. Instead of move, you can copy your drawing. So you select your drawing and then press on the copy. After that you will have it from the place where you want to copy it from. Then you can have now two drawings in the same place.